In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings in Wrike. Managing notifications properly can save you a lot of time and help you focus on the work that really matters. If you're getting too many emails from Wrike, or maybe not enough, adjusting these settings is the best way to make Wrike fit your working style. I'll walk you through the exact path to update them, step by step, so feel free to follow along in your own workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and you're on any main screen, such as a project, a folder, or your workspace. At the very top of the screen, look toward the upper left area. You'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your initials inside a colored circle or a small avatar image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu where you can access personal and account-related options. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Wrike groups most of the configuration options for your account. Click on Settings. Wrike will open a new page or section dedicated to your account settings. It may take a second to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just wait until everything appears. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see several categories or tabs related to your account. Here, you want to find the section called Email Preferences. This is where Wrike controls what kinds of messages you receive and how often you receive them. Click on Email Preferences. After clicking, you'll be taken to a page that focuses on messages Wrike sends you. On this page, look for the area labeled Notification Settings. This section is where you can fine-tune which activities trigger an email or notification. Take your time to review the options you see here. You might have choices related to task assignments, comments, @mentions, status changes, daily digests, and more, depending on your plan and setup. Adjust the notification settings to match how you like to work. For example, you might keep notifications for tasks assigned to you, but turn off emails for less important updates. When you're done, Wrike usually saves your changes automatically, but if you see a save or apply button, be sure to click it. And that's it. You've now navigated from your profile icon into settings, opened email preferences, and arrived at notification settings, so you can control exactly how Wrike reaches out to you.